Alright, so I have a plan for a video and right now we're doing a sound test.
This thing's so wobbly.
Okay.
I actually want to hold it like this more because I feel like it's not going to.
Well, we'll get a handle down. Okay? So, alright.
Actually, hold on.
What?
Better idea. Just in case it breaks.
Okay, we'll do that first, but then I want to whack at each other.
I know.
Yeah.
This is just to test whether or not it breaks.
This is a sound test.
It actually is.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, that hurt. So
I'll do it to me then.
fuck.
This is gonna hurt, and I'm scared.
Oh.
That wasn't as bad as you made.
I didn't do it as bad.
Alright, ready? So I want you to whack like that, and I'm gonna whack like this. Okay?
Ready?
1, 2, 3. It's already bent.
I told you it wasn't going to
Son
last.
of a
It's not
bitch.
combat steel, you dingus.
All right, so then let's do it lighter, real quick.
Yeah, I was about to say, why are you wailing
Let's
on
do
a
a
full
1,
blast?
a 2, and a 3.
Wait, why are you wailing on a full blast?
Because I want it to look good for the thing. I don't want it to speed up. Ready? That didn't sound so bad.
No.
You might bend in the wrong spot. That's okay. Okay. Let's try one more. We can always get another one. That don't look bad.
Or I could fix it.
And that part could be your handle.
It's a little bit rounded, but what are we doing?
How about let's do 1, and then 2, and then I want to spin in there. I want someone to spin.
Why?
Because it looks cool.
I mean, I thought
How about we both spin?
I thought this was a sound test, not.
It's also practice. This is it. This is the last one.
This is a terrible practice, by the way. This is terrible choreography.
How about 1, 2,
You spin.
and then. Why don't we? Yeah. Okay. Ready?
The problem is like, that's not how you fence.
We're not fencing. Okay, that's it. That's the end of the show.
You